Bonjour, hi. In this video, I want to show you how you can have fun using AI vision. I want to share a little project that I did and show you how it works. So let me show you right away. So first, it's in Python. Yes, I know we're used to do more .NET on this channel, but guess what? Python is also fun. So expect more Python coming up. That doesn't mean I'm leaving .NET. It's just that, I'm doing a Python too. Okay, so let's have a look. I just want to show you, and after that, we'll jump into the code. So here I have a bunch of video that are already uploaded. You can add more with the URL and give it a funny name. And then you have all your video here. You could click on it to watch the video if you want. Or you could ask for a roast. Obviously, it will be a gentle roast. Well, you know me, right? It takes only a few seconds and then you have your roast generated by AI. So what will happen now is that Reka Vision AI will watch the video and then have a cool and funny reply for you. So here it's saying that, hey, I have all the gear, even like wearing the t-shirt Reka when I did that video and all that thing. Okay, quick note here. What you see here in the demo is the video are pre-loaded and they are indexed. That's why the response is so fast. It takes about 2 minutes for a short video like that, but depending on the length of your video, it could be longer to index. But then when you are about doing some Q&A, questioning the AI about your video, it goes super fast. And what I really like is AI not just like read the transcript, it really look at the images. That's why it was making comment about my t-shirt with Reka logo on it. I didn't say, hey, look, I have a cool logo on my t-shirt. It detect that and integrate that into his roast. So it's really listening and watching the video, just like us, and understanding what's happening. And I also really like the fact that as a developer, I don't have to maintain downloading a model and stuff like that. It's just a call to an API and everything works perfectly. Okay, now let's go back to the video. So now let's see how that thing works. So I will stop it first. So all the explanation are available from the README. You clone it, you go in the specific folder. So this app is part, or you know what, let me show you first. If I go to here, and go change. So those are part of the Reka example for Python, and it's called Roast My Life. And if you want to feel that you're building it kind of like step by step, we also have like a workshop version. Okay, now let's back to the code. So you have everything, you create your virtual environment. So this way you don't conflict with anything already installed if you have other version of Python running. And then you install all the requirement. That's a nice trick that I learned where instead of doing all the package one by one, you could put them in a text file and then install all of them together. And then you run the app, running Python app. I'm using Flask here, and for the .NET developer that are with us, if you're still there, thank you, by the way. Flask is a bit like ASP.NET. So you have a HTML template, and then you have like a Python backend that you will fill it. And if we look to the code here, into the source, we'll have our template. So for example, my form. So it's very classic HTML, but then I have those brackets, right, where I do the loop and all those things. So that's done on the Python part, and then you fill those objects, and here you'll be able to loop through it and create all those image from the app. Okay, so this is HTML. This is, I think, what we know. So but let me show you how it works to really interact with Reka API. So in the app itself, I'm using right now I really like the .environment file. It's the same thing you use when you do Docker, Compose, and many things. So I use that also for my .NET project often. So it's a .NET environment file. I create a placeholder. So I create like a sample. So you just have to copy for .NET env. You remove the sample and you put your key here. To get a key, it's very simple. Again, if we go here, I will provide all the link, but you go to platform.reka.ai and you get your key from here. Very easy. And by the way, it's free. You have $10 every month for free with this key. We have our key. We can go, oops, I want to go in the code. So we will load that file and get our API and the base URL. And from there, let's say we want to list all the video, you just send a post. So you go video get, you pass with the header here, API key, you pass your key, and that's it. You will get your answer. That's as simple as it is. So as a developer, I love it because I don't have to a model, download the model, install it, run it. I just do an API call. I know that. I'm a developer. Okay, that was just a get. Let's say you want to ask questions. So what you do is mostly the same thing. So I did leave a lot of comment here, thanks to some AI also comment, but it's always the same thing. So there's the key, you had your header, API key, and then now we need to pass the video ID because obviously we need to tell the AI what video we want to be talking with. And in this specific example, I want to roast the video. So I'm just saying, hey, content, write a funny but gentle roast about the person or the voice in case there was, no person visible, and reply in Markdown format. Why did I put Markdown format? It was just to add more flexibility or give more creativity to the AI so it could, put emphasis on some word colors. If there's code or whatever, it could use the tilt or back tilt capability and stuff like that. And then you just create a regular response. You do your request, you get your response, and you filter it and you apply it. And that's it. That's how you have it. So let's go back here and let me know. What else should we build with AI vision? Give it a try. I will provide all the link in the description. Give a thumbs up or to the video. Leave a comment. It always helps. And see you in the next one. Thanks. So it's every month. Renewable.